Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Van Buren County in north-central Arkansas, western Cleburne County in north-central Arkansas, Conway County in central Arkansas, north-central Faulkner County in central Arkansas, northeastern Yale County in central Arkansas, southeastern Pope, P. O. P. E. County in central Arkansas until 1:15 p.m. At 12:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Atkins, or 10 miles east of Russellville, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Include Russellville, Clinton, Atkins, Pottsville, Damascus, Twin Groves, Bethlehem, Happy Bend, Solbahackia, Claude, Cleveland, Catholic Point, Hotieville, Middleton, Lantee, Fairmount.